Hi everyone. Good evening all of you. Good evening guys. Hope you are all doing well. Right. Shiva, Vivek, Jyoti, Deepak, Ashwini, Prasad. Good evening everyone. Good evening all of you. Everyone, how are you? Everyone, how are you? Good. All of you had your tea, coffee, snacks, hot water, juice, everything you had or nothing you had? Everything you had? No, nothing you had. Okay, very good, very good. So here we'll be having everything, right? Gaurav, Ramesh, good evening. Right. So here we'll be continuing our discussion on which one? This is a linear measurements, that is a chain survey, you can say. Right. Right. Here, anyone having any doubt in our discussions up to yesterday? One sec. I think I have not yet saved this. Right. Anyone having any doubts in our discussions up to yesterday, all of you? Any doubts, anyone? Yeah, Yashwant, Jai Hind, right, Gaurav, good evening. No doubts? All questions are clear, everyone? All questions are clear, all of you? Right. So today we'll be going on to this next questions, you can say, right? Next set of these questions we'll be discussing on this, you can say, if you just right. Okay? Right. So today that linear measurements topic gets over, and tomorrow what will be starting, you can say? Tomorrow onwards it will be starting that next topic, that is a compass survey. Okay? Yeah, Nikita, good evening. Compass survey will be started from tomorrow onwards, you can say, everyone, if you just have read. Okay? Compass survey will be started from tomorrow onwards. Right? Today will be the last class on this linear measurements. Okay? Right. Mohammed, good evening. Yeah, that PDF is not yet saved. One sec, let me check it. One sec. I don't know how much time it is taking for getting saved. Right, yeah. Good evening, good evening. Right. So today, GATE and ESE, all questions will be completed from this linear measurements. Actually, few questions we missed in this fundamentals of surveying. Those questions also we'll try to finish off here. Okay. Right, all of you. Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Right. Everyone is ready to crack. Everyone get ready to crack, all of you. Right. This is my profile. You just scan this QR code to follow my profile in Unacademy. And what is the referral code you have to use, and what is the referral code you have to recommend to your friends, juniors, and everybody? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, and you have to recommend it to your friends, juniors, and everybody, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy already. And now, there is a wonderful offer is going on, right? New batches, right? Tomorrow that new batches will be starting, all of you, so don't miss this opportunity. So before this new batches is started, so this offer will be ending on which one? This is June 17th only, right? What is that offer, you can say? Whenever you are taking this plus and iconic subscription, you will be getting this 25% discount on your subscription fee if you are using RP Civil. And if you are taking this iconic subscription for this 9 months now, you will be getting 2 months extra, right? So don't miss this. Inform to your friends, juniors, and everybody, right? These are all the features you will be getting, you can see if you just observe, right? Now coming to this, these are our GATE 2023 toppers in top 10 from Unacademy. Now, so what is it, a referral code you have to use, all of you, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone, right? June 16th onwards this batch will be starting, right? So if you are taking this iconic subscription along with this plus benefits, right, you will be getting these additional benefits, right? That is all these subjects books will be delivered to your address within 15 days, right, of your subscription, right? If you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, you just go with this no cost EMI option, right? Means 0% interest on your EMI, you can say. Now offline, our offline center, where it is located? Delhi, Mehrauli, na? Yes or no? So if you wanted to join there also, right, Jaspal sir will be starting geotechnical engineering on June 19th, you can say, right? So don't miss this opportunity, everyone. Right. So these are all our place courses, right? This is our free course series going on now, right? So linear measurements, chain surveying, right? You can say, right? So linear measurements we are discussing, right? So here before we enter into this, right? You just observe. Anybody wanted to enroll for anything, you can just enroll for this, all of you. Okay, if you wanted to enroll for this foundation batch, you can just enroll for this. And if you wanted to enroll for this, which is on this 18th June, career planning with college. And if you wanted to enroll for this STAD Pro, structural analysis and design by RCS building, you can enroll for this, you can say, is not? Right, now coming to this here. So shall I start the poll, all of you? Is it done? This is not done, right? Yes or no? This is done or this is not done, everyone? This is done or this is not done. If you just observe, this is not yet done, right? Yes or no? So this is your this is not yet done, you can say, right? So now if you just observe, 120 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, everyone. Sanjay Shiva answered correctly. Sanjay Shiva, Vivek, Deepak also answered correctly. 80% only answered, remaining 20%. What about the remaining 20%? Cute fellows. .33% only answered correctly. Right. Akash, Shravan, good evening. 85% answered correctly. Yeah, Akash also answered correctly. Gaurav also answered correctly. 70% only still answered. What about the remaining? Right, so this is the leaderboard, you can say. Sanjay first, Shiva second, Vivek third, right? These are the toppers till now. The required slope correction for a length of 60 meters with a gradient of this 1 in 20 is, right? What is it, you can say, if you just observe here, whenever it is a gradient, right? Whenever you consider it as a gradient means, right? Let us say this is your theta gradient or this slope, both are same, na? And now tell me, right, what is this hypotenuse will come? Under root 20 square plus this 1 means that under root 40 over, na? So now tell me, what is that tan theta? That tan theta will be equal to that 1 by 20. And what is that cos theta, everyone? Cos theta will be equal to that adjacent side 20 divided by this hypotenuse, right? What is that hypotenuse, you can say, under root 401 or not, everyone? Yes, under root 401. So now what is that correction for this slope, if you just observe? Anyone tell me, what is that required correction for this slope, if you just observe? That is L into 1 minus cos theta, na? L into 1 minus cos theta or not, right? What is that L, you can say 60 into 1 minus, right? What is that cos theta? That is 20 by this root 401, na? 20 by this root 401, right? How much it comes to be? Yes, you can also use, yeah, 7, good evening. How much you'll be getting? You can use that also, no problem, right? 0.075 meters. 0.075 meters, you can write 0.075 meters, right? But how can you get this? How can you get that? The h square by this 12, you can use that h square by this 12 also, right? Anything you can use as a wish, right? So 0.075 meters means, right, how many centimeters? If you just observe, multiply with 100, you will be getting that answer in centimeters now. Yes, you will be getting that answer in centimeters. You can say, if you just observe. What is the h? You can say, if you know the level difference between the first and the last point of this is 60 meters measured, right? For that you have to calculate this level difference between this first and the last point. Is not? Again you have to use this slope only, right? What is that? You can use it root over 401. This one only we have to use it, na? Yes or no? Root over 401 by this 20, right? Yes, na? Okay, 7 is came in answer also. Yeah, because 7 came answer also 7. So it is thinking that अरे यार मैं 7 बोल रहा हूँ, 7 अभी तक नहीं आया, right? ऐसे सोच रहे 7.5. Right. So now shall I move on to the next question? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? This is your 31st question, right? This is your 31st question, you can say. So I'll be just going for this. Okay, okay, note it. I'll wait. Don't worry. So you know the slope, na, Shiva? From the slope, can't you calculate? For this hypotenuse length of under root 401, how much it is, right? Yes, na? For under root 401, it is 1 meter is the h value, and for this 60 meter, how much it will be, right? So 60 into this 1 divided by this under root 401, right? Then that is your h. So you substitute that h square by 2l, you will be getting the same answer, right? Both are same only. If you just observe, both will be same only if you simplify them. Yes, na? Right, done. Now coming to this, right, I'll be starting the poll. Try to select the answer. It is a little bit bigger question actually. So I'll be giving which one? This 180 seconds time. Try to solve this, all of you. Sanjay answered correctly. Akash also answered correctly. Deepak also answered correctly. Nikita also answered correctly. Vivek also answered correctly. "60 seconds more time," but still 62% only answered correctly. Everyone? It is just the same now. Is there any difficulty you are having in this? It is the simple one only. Just you are applying 2 corrections. That's it. That is the only thing you are having, right? Instead of applying 1 correction, we are applying which one? These are 2 corrections simply, right? Okay, 65% only answered. 60, okay. It is 55, sorry. 55% only answered correctly. Right. Sanjay first, Deepak second, Akash third. A survey line was measured to be 285.5 meter with a tape having a nominal length of this 30 meters, right? On checking the true length, the tape was found to be 0.05 meter too short, right? If the line lay on a slope of this 1 in 10, the reduced length, that is horizontal length of this line for plotting the survey would be, right? So means here we have to consider this absolute, we have to apply this absolute length correction, and we have to apply which one, this slope correction also, no? So now tell me, right, what is the capital L dash, that is L measured into which one, this LC dash, right? Actual length of this chain divided by this designated length of this chain, right? So what is that measured length, you can say that is your 285.5 meters, na? 285.5 meters into 0.05 meter too short, right? So 30 minus 0.05 meter too short means, right, how much it comes to be? Can we say that is your 29.95 meters? 29.95 divided by this 30, right? So now tell me, right, what is that L dash based on this first one? What is that L dash based on this correction? If you just observe that absolute length correction, na? How many meters it will be? 285.5 into 229.95 divided by this 30, right? What is it? You can say 285.024 meters, right? So 024, right? Now whenever you are considering this slope, right, what is that slope? You can say it is 1 in 10, na? And what is this hypotenuse, right? This is your theta, right? What is this hypotenuse? So that is your 10 square plus 1, right? It is equal to that under root 10 over, na? So now tell me, right, what is that cos theta? That is your 10 by under root 101, if you just observe, right? So now tell me, right, what is that L corrected? What is that L corrected we have to apply? So what is that L corrected we have to make it, if you just observe, everyone? That is L dash which we have got minus which one, this correction for this slope, na? So what is the correction for this slope? You can say, what is the correction for this slope? If you just observe L dash, what is that, you can say L dash minus which one, this, what is that, you can say that is your L dash into that 1 minus cos theta, na? So simply what is that, you can say that is your L dash cos theta, or not everyone, L dash cos theta. What is that L dash? We have got 285.024, right? Yes, directly L cos theta, L dash cos theta. Yes, that is what I am saying also. 285.024 into that, what is sorry, into what is that cos theta? 10 by root 10 over, na? 10 by root 101, right? How many meters it would be? How many meters it would be? 283.61 meters, 283.61, right? Is there any option? Option D is the correct option given, or not everyone? Yes, option D is the one which is matching, you can say, if you just have, right? Isn't it? So now shall I move to the next question of you? Those are noting, you just note it and tell me, everyone. Those who are noting, you just note it and tell me. Right. So now, so shall I go for this? Select the answer at 120 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, everyone. Array yaar. Actually it is aerial photogrammetry, sorry. Yeah, this is aerial photogrammetry question, right? It is not this one. Just by looking at the scale, I thought it is this question only. Okay, one sec. This is aerial photogrammetry question, okay? So here it is, question number 32, you can say, okay? Question number 32, if you just observe, right? So, shall I go for this? Select the answer, solve this, all of you. This is a chain and fundamentals question only, isn't it? Sanjay answered correctly. Putta, good evening. Akash answered correctly. Why it is not complete? The plan of survey plotted to a scale of 10 meter to 1 centimeter, okay, to reduce in such a way that it has, okay, it has originally 9 centimeter long, now measures which one, it now measures which one, this is 9 centimeter. Yes, you just take it as this 9 centimeter, okay, just take it as this 9 centimeter. Now it is okay. Yeah, without identifying that you have answered how? Sanjay, Akash, Deepak, Gaurav. The same question we have solved in our class, na? Yeah, because the same question we have solved in the class, Vivek, don't worry. The same question we have solved in the class with the same printing mistake. Yes, na? I did not change it, right? I forgot to change it here. Same mistake, same typing mistake, because I only typed na all this. So that's why I just copied from there and pasted here that number. Okay, okay, no problem. Is actually fundamentals question, but okay, we did not solve there, so we are solving now here. Fateh, good evening. Sanjay, Akash, Deepak, Gaurav, Nikita answered correctly. Yashwant also answered correctly. So this is a letter board. Sanjay first, Akash second, Deepak third, right? The plan of a survey is plotted to a scale of which one? This 1 centimeter to which one? This 1 centimeter is equal to the 10 meter, na? Right? So it is reduced in such a way that it has originally 10 centimeter along, that now measures 9 centimeter, right? Now tell me what is the shrinkage ratio or this is shrinkage factor equal to? So 9 centimeter by this 10 centimeter at 9 by 10, or this 0.9 is your shrinkage factor, or this is shrinkage ratio, na? 0.9 is your shrinkage factor or the shrinkage ratio, right? The area of this reduced plan is measured as 81 centimeter square. Then the actual area in the ground is, right? What is it? You can say if you just observe here. So what is it? You can say if you just observe, what is the correct area on the map? What is that A corrected on the map? If we just observe, A corrected on this map will be equal to how much, everyone? So that is A measured into which one? A measured divided by which one? This shrinkage ratio square, na? Yes or no? A measured divided by this shrinkage ratio square, or not all of you? A measured divided by this shrinkage ratio square, right? What is it? A measured 81 centimeters divided by this 0.9 square, right? So we'll be getting in which one? You will be getting how many centimeter square? At 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square is that a map area, correct map area we are getting, right? But you are asked to identify this map area, or you are asked to identify this ground area, na? So 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter is equal to which one? 1 centimeter is equal to that 10 meter. So similarly, right, what is that? 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 meter square, na? So therefore 100 centimeter square will be then how much? 40 meter square, na? Isn't it? So 10,000 meter square, you can say it like that. Is it clear, everyone? Option A will be the correct answer, or not? All of you. Yes, that option A will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. So shall I move on to the next question? Is it clear, everyone? Is this point clear, everyone, all of you? So this is a GATE 2023 question actually. Okay, Ashwini. Note it, I'll wait. Right? Again photogrammetry, where it is? 32, 33. But okay, you can do it. Note it. You can do this question, right? Even though it is photogrammetric, but you can do it this. Yes, Shivam Pal. Sanjay, good evening. Sanjay answered correctly. Vivek answered correctly. Deepak also answered correctly. %50 only answered correctly. What about the remaining? 3 answered correctly, 3 answered wrongly. Some other people did not even attempt also. अरे यार, it is very simple वाला ना. ये छोटा बच्चा वाला question है और very difficult question you can solve of it. Very छोटा बच्चा question. Right. This is the letter board. Sanjay first, Deepak second, Akash third. Right. What is it you can say? If the size of this ground area is 6 kilometers by this 3 kilometer and the corresponding photo size in the aerial photograph is 30 centimeter by 15 centimeter, right? Then the scale of this photograph is 1 is to how much, right? So if you just observe it, what is the scale you can say? Actually 1 is to something is given means it is a scale actually, or it is representative fraction. It is representative fraction na? So under root what is it you can say? Area of this map divided by this area, corresponding area on this ground na? Area on this map divided by this corresponding area on this ground na? What is the area on this map you can say? That is your 30 centimeter by this 15 centimeter, right? Divided by this area on this ground is how much? 6 into that 3 kilometers square, right? How can you convert that kilometer square if you just observe? How can you convert that kilometers to these meters? First of all, 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 whole square is 10 power 6, right? Yeah. Next, areas na. So we have to take it root definitely na. Yes or no? So you will be getting these meters, right? What is it you can say? Meter to centimeter at 100 square, right? So now tell me, right, what is it a representative fraction or this scale comes to be? That is 1 is to how much? Abhi, good evening. 1 is to how much you will be getting now? One is to how much? 20,000, right? So which one is the correct answer? Right? Option B will be the correct answer, na? Yes, that option B will be the correct answer. You can say it like that, yes, na? So shall I move on to the next question? Right? That is your 35th question out of you. Yes, yes, this is your which one? This GATE 2023 latest GATE question, okay? Right, select the answer. Okay, you want this one? Okay, noted. Once noted, tell me. Right. This to take it as which one? This is 33. Solve this 120 seconds time I am giving. Deepak, Shiva, Vivek answered correctly. What about the remaining? Not today. Linear measurements together, right? All linear measurements. So this is 34th question of this linear measurements, right? 3 classes. This is the 4th class on these linear measurements. Okay. Tomorrow again we'll start from 1 for compass server. Deepak, Shiva, Vivek, Sanjay answered correctly. Gaurav also answered correctly. This is ESC 2023 question, right? ESC 2023 question. You have to be careful. Yashwant also answered correctly. Right, 85% only answered correctly. What about the remaining? Cute fellows. They are similar kind of question already we have solved, na? Yes, no, similar kind of question already we have solved if you just remember. No? Sanjay first, Deepak second, Vivek third, right? A line AB between the two stations A and B was measured as 348.28 meter using a 20 meter tape. 2 short by this 0.05 meters, right? What is the correct length of this line AB? That L corrected will be equal to what is that L measured? LC dash, right? What is that LC dash? It is how much? 0.05 meter too short, na? So 0.05 meters too short means, right, 19.95 meters, na? Divided by this 20. How much it will be? What is the L dash you are getting? Corrected length, all of you? So 347.41, right? Is there any option available with that? Yes, that option C is available, na? Yes, that option C will be available. You consider it like that, isn't it? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? 6th question, 35th question. Right. Right. Here, this is 35, na? This is also ESC 2023 question. Means the latest question it is. Similar type of question, na? Yes or no? If you remember, all of you. Already we have solved this kind of question, na? If you remember. 25 seconds more time. Vivek, Sanjay answered correctly. What about the others? If you want more time, you just ask me to increase the time, all of you. Time you want? Okay. Sumit, good evening. Yeah. 75 seconds more time. Fifty-five seconds more time. Only these two answered. What about the others? Sandeep, good evening. Vivek, Sanjay, Abhi, Deepak answered correctly. 20 seconds more time. Tell me which corrections we have to apply here. Which corrections we have to apply here, everyone? Only one or two corrections we have to apply? One or two corrections, right? Sanjay first, Deepak second, Vivek third, right? So here the length of line originally 100 meters long on a map plotted to a scale of 1:1000 was found to be 96 millimeter due to the shrinkage of this map, right? The map prepared using a tape length of this 20 meter, so was later found to be actually that 0.03 meters too long, right? If an accident area in an accident area on a prone map measured, right, in a certain area on map measured using a planimeter of this 282 millimeter square, so what should be the correct area of this ground, right? If you wanted to get it, you have to get this correct area of this ground, right? How can you get this correct area of this ground, you can say? How can you get this right? First we will apply this correction, na? What is that A corrected? How much is that A corrected, everyone? How much? (20.03) divided by this 20 whole square will come, na? 20.03 divided by this 20 whole square will come, right? So now tell me how many centimeter square it comes to be? Two 82 point this 85 or which one are here? Why this much change? 282 point this 84 something 85 centimeter square, right? 282 point this 84 centimeter square, right? So now if you just observe what is that A corrected, again if you are correcting it, right, what is it we need to do? Shrinkage ratio. Based on this shrinkage ratio we have to correct it now. So what is that shrinkage ratio, you can say, yeah, millimeter square it is, okay, millimeter square, yes, absolutely it is millimeter square, because in the options it is given as millimeters only, so we have to take it as this millimeter only. Yes, same, correct, millimeters only, Deepak. Millimeter square. What is the A corrected again? First of all, this is shrinkage ratio will be equal to how much? 96 divided by this 100, na? So what is it, you can say 282 point 282 point this 85 divided by this, what is it, you can say 96 by 100, na? Arey Baba. Arey, why this pen? One sec, let me refresh. Arey. Shrinkage ratio was 0.96 na? Okay. So tell me, how many millimeter square it comes to be? What is the corrected area based on this shrinkage considerations? 306.91 millimeter square na? 306.91 millimeter square, right? So this is your, which one? This is a map area or this is a ground area, you can say. This is your map area only, no? These two are this map areas only, no? So now tell me, right, what is the ground area? How can you get that? A ground will be equal to which one? 306.91 into what is it, you can say 1:1000 na? So 1:1000 you can say, right? So how much it comes to be? So that many 1:1000, right? 1:1000, right? So that many millimeter square you will be getting, right? That many millimeter square means, right? How many meter square if you just a bit? Okay, 10 power 6 it has to come na? 10 power 6 will come, right? 10 power 6, right? So that many millimeter square you are having, right? This many millimeter square, right? So this many millimeter square is equal to that how many meter square if you just a bit of you? Suraj Chaupan, good evening. So that is equal to that 306.91 meter square na. So is there any option with this 306.91 meter square? 307 is available na. 307 meter square is available, right? Like that. Is it clear, everyone? Option B will be the correct answer. Is it clear of you? Option B will be the correct answer. Is not? 35th question, right? Shall we move to the next question of you? Anyone having any doubt in this? Is this clear for all? Is this clear for all, everyone? Right. So this one I will be going for. This is your 36th question at ESE 2021 question, you can say. This is 7th slide, na? Yes, right. Last but one question, right? This question and one more question, right? With that linear measurements gets over, right? Tomorrow onwards, compass survey will be going with, okay? Select the answer of you. 45 seconds time I am doing. This is not site, this is a set, okay? Okay, site square only, not set square, site square only. Yeah, you can use it the term site square also, no problem for this. Right. So which one? So here if we just update, which of the following is not an instrument for setting that right angles, right? Right angles bole to kya 90 degrees na. So which one we are using if you just observe, right? Cross staff we are using for setting 90 degrees, right? Prism square or this prismatic square you can say, right? Prism square we are using angular measurement, right? So this is side square is also for which one? This is also for which one? This is angular measurement only, right? This is also for which one? This is angular measurement only, right? And optical staff, have you heard any instrument named optical staff? Have you heard any instrument named optical staff? There is no instrument named optical staff, na? Yes or no? There is no instrument named optical staff you are having or not? Yes or no? Optical, which one is there? Optical square is there, right? Yes. Optical square is there, right? Optical square is there, na? Optical square we have discussed, right? Optical square and prism square we have discussed if you just observe. Yes, na? Optical square is there, but optical staff is not there, okay? Optical staff is not there, right? Yeah, side square also, yes. We did not discuss about that side square, but that side square is also useful for which one? This is setting the angles, is not? Actually, set square, right? Set square you are having, it is similar to that only, right? Similar to that only. Okay. Now this is the last question, you can say. This is your 37th question. So do you remember the options? First statement is what? First option is what? Option A is first statement is true, second statement is true, and second statement is a reason for this first statement, na? And what is it? Option B, first statement is true, second statement is also true, but second statement is not explaining, not the reason for this first statement, right? Option C, what is it? You can say first statement is true and this second statement is false, right? And what is it? D, you can say first statement is false and this second statement is true, right? You just try to select one, select the correct answer, right? Which one is the correct answer of you? So with this linear measurements topic gets over. Okay, I'll close after this. Yashwant, Shiva, Gaurav, Vivek, Sanjay, Deepak answered correctly. Right, so this is a leaderboard. 100% correct answer. Sanjay first, Deepak second, Vivek third, right? What is it? You can say chain surveying is a type of survey in which only linear measurements are made in the field. Yes, na? First statement is true. Second one, traversing is a type of survey in which the number of connected survey lines form the framework, and the directions and the length of this survey lines are measured with the help of this with the help of chain and this angle measuring instrument respectively, right? So that is also correct, na? Yes or no? So which one is correct, right? But is there any relation between them? Can you say that second statement is the explanation of this first statement? No, na? Yes or no? No, both are individual statements and both are not related to each other. So that's why which option should be selected? Second option should be selected, or not everyone? Yes. Okay. I'll be closing the session. Thank you all of you. Have a good day, right? Thank you. Tomorrow we'll start compass surveying. Okay. Thank you.